Few can resist the lure of a shiny new gadget, and most of us would have many more if there wasn't the small detail of price. But what if we told you that there are loads of really cool gadgets that you can get for under $100? That's right, there are plenty of brilliant gadgets out there that do a top-notch job without breaking your bank. From cleaning devices to kitchen essentials, here we've got some of the greatest gadgets that you can get for less than $100. Welcome to another video from Disrupt Tech. Where we're going to be listing 10 of the best household gadgets that you can buy for less than $100. But before we get into all that, please don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, as well as ding the post notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Vent Teasing Essential Oil Diffuser. Adding this tiny essential oil diffuser to your bedroom or office is a great way to improve the atmosphere. You can add a bit of moisture to the air thanks to the humidifier aspect and fill the room with a scent of your choice by adding essential oils. It also doubles as a small nightlight, where you can choose from various colors to create your own favorite atmosphere. The smart household gadget carries a price tag of $10. Conair Rechargeable Fabric Defuzzer. This is a handy tool that essentially refreshes sweaters and coats in no time. Plus, it saves replacing the garments that are in otherwise good condition. Make sure that you don't get too overzealous with your newfound laundry room staple, however, as you wouldn't want to damage the fabric. Piling on garments is where those loose fabrics have come together and gotten tangled. But if you cut the ends of those fabrics instead of using something like this gadget, you'll just worsen the situation. This is a super useful tool that is a must-have for every house and can be purchased for around $25. Tile Sticker Bluetooth Trackers. If you happen to be one of those folks who just can't seem to keep track of their keys, wallet, or other stuff, you would surely want one of these. These compact waterproof tile sticker Bluetooth trackers stick to virtually anything, from phones to remotes and even keys to wallets. They have a 150 feet range, and each built-in battery lasts for a whopping 3 years. Unlike other models like the Tile Pro, these batteries don't need to be recharged or even replaced. The Tile app shows you where your tracker-attached items are, and you can even make your phone ring when it's on silent with simple double press of the button. Believe it or not, it's compatible with Alexa voice commands, so that way you never have to fumble around to try and find those belongings again. You can purchase these tracker tiles for $38. Homedics Triple Action Shiatsu Foot Massager. What's more affordable than a full-on massage chair, but just as relaxing? Well, glad you asked. It's the Homedics Triple Action Shiatsu Foot Massager. 3 rotating, kneading hands travel up and down the length of their weary feet for a knot-relieving massage, while added heat soothes and stimulates blood flow. Parents and grandparents alike will be big fans of this nifty gadget, especially after a long walk around the neighborhood. The large platform design is ideal for both larger and smaller feet, plus it can be purchased for $47. Echo Dot with Clock, 4th Gen, and Amazon Smart Plug. Smart intelligent homes are now firmly established, and an entryway to enter this field is a home hub like the Amazon Echo Dot. In light of a demand for more affordable home gadgets, vendors including Amazon have now rolled out smaller versions of their flagship products, and the 4th generation Echo Dot is just that. The Echo Dot is a compact speaker with an inbuilt clock and voice assistant functions, allowing users to conduct online searches, ask for the weather or news, and much more, as well as control other IoT devices like smart lighting. This gadget also comes bundled with an Amazon Smart Plug, which you can get for a low price of $70. Phone Soap 3 UV Smartphone Sanitizer and Universal Charger. Our phones are 18 times dirtier than a public toilet. Our phones get so dirty because we take them into places like restrooms and wash our hands, but never our phones. That is why it's essential that we sanitize them properly. Studies have shown that UVC-based sanitation methods are effective in reducing bacterial burden. With that, the Phone Soap 3 UV Smartphone Sanitizer claims to kill 99.99% of bacteria after just 5 minutes. For what it's worth, it will give a little peace of mind during these cautious times, and it's big enough to sanitize keys, AirPods, and other little trinkets as well. You can get the Phone Soap Smartphone Sanitizer for $75. Towel Clean Uma Diamond Sonic Toothbrush and Cleaning Station. The toothbrush and cleaning station allows you to take your oral hygiene to the next level. The toothbrush has an ergonomic handle which fits perfectly in your hand, while the 40,000 tiny brush strokes per minute sweep away plaque and gently polish away surface stains. The cleaning station uses powerful ultraviolet C rays to be able to kill up to 99.99% of germs while your sonic toothbrush is not in use. It also protects, dries, charges it, and takes up minimal space in your bathroom counter. You can pick up this nifty oral hygiene gadget for $79.17. Philips Hue Smart Bulb Kit. This gadget is an excellent choice if you want to be able to fill your room or apartment with smart lights. This kit includes 4 white bulbs, which you can control with Alexa, Google Assistant, and HomeKit, along with the Philips Hue bridge that connects them together to your router. You can automate the bulbs with timers and schedules, and even create gorgeous lighting effects. With the Philips Hue Sync feature, they can even sync up with the audio of your music, movies, or games. This kit can be purchased for in and around $100. Polaroid Originals High Print. We all love taking photos on our phones, but there is still something special about being able to hold the physical copy in your hands like the good old days. With the Polaroid Originals High Print, the Instagram mavens can do just that. Thanks to the modern-day magic that is Bluetooth, you can print all of your favorite snaps onto high-definition 2x3 prints. This neat little Polaroid printer costs $100. Cuisinart Perfect Temp 14 Cup Programmable DCC 3200. The Cuisinart drip coffee maker with stainless steel finish and glass carafe has earned excellent ratings and reviews for a brewing performance. It's programmable and even features a water filter, a permanent coffee filter, a cleaning mode, a cleaning indicator, and auto shutoff. The machine also allows you to adjust the strength of your brew. For the money, this model offers style and features that are hard to beat. Brew strength control allows you to select regular or bold coffee flavor. It is a fully automatic gadget with 24-hour programmability, self-cleaning, 1-to-4 cup settings, and auto shutoff. This coffee maker is one of the best household gadgets that'll cost you $100. So, which one of these household gadgets would you like to have in your house? Which one of these gadgets do you think is the best? Let us know in the comment section down below, and before you leave, make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and ding that notification bell so you never miss another update from us. Until next time guys, we'll see you later.